Hey, Crystal, how are you? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing, and I wanted to follow through and send the screencast to you as I promised, showing you the top three ways that the top weighted things that Google sees to get your website to start to rank on the first page, and then also sometimes in the map pack too under a Google search. So let's get started. First thing is content, and looking at the content on your site. I like all the images. You got a fair amount of words. You get some great clients, that kind of thing. But if I take all the words and I stick them real quick into my word counter, and take a look here real quick and see. Google likes to see 1,500 words or more. So you're pretty close, actually, more than a lot of websites. So you're 977 words. We need to bump that up over 1,500, just over 1,500, in order for Google to really be seeing your new website here for what it is and start to rank it. So that's purely your content. And then the other part of that's the actual text, the words, that's considered content. However, the other thing that's relevant content to Google is any image that you have. If you just go in and click and save image as on anything in here, I know that you can't see it on the screencast, but right up above, all it says is copy of IMG 0474. So you want to tag all of your pictures and images on every part of your website with keyword rich tags or captions. So it would all depend, but it could be THC Girls Denver, could be cannabis marketing Denver, Colorado, whatever it might be there, but keywords on every one of them. So I'll just pick another one here randomly. Those are actually all videos. So the normal save image as is probably going to be something here. So this one has nothing but numbers across the top. There's nothing to reference this. You could put our new clients normal of Florida, whatever it might be. So that is your content on your page, and they really look mainly at your face page or your home page. We can talk about some of this other stuff, but that's the primary thing. The second thing is citations. So if I do a Google search here for cannabis marketing Denver, which actually has a volume 77 searches a month, which is pretty good for this space, for this niche within the digital marketing space. So the map pack here, this is the map pack, top 3 map pack. So this is what shows up at the top of any Google search that you do. I'm sure you've seen it. But this is important from the aspect that this is the first and best always citation. And the citation is your name, address, phone number. It's just really just, this information right here. Name, address, phone number. That's a citation. A citation is a type of a backlink. But it stands on its own because it is just name, address, phone number. But how many times that information appears across the web? It could be in a blog, could be in an article, could be in a post, could be in a directory, any number of directories, that kind of thing. So if we open up this account here, so this is called Studio 420. This is their GMB, or the Google My Business. You can see they have 21 reviews. They've got stuff related to the search, all this. And then they have a description of the business. Okay, if you don't have a GMB, let's get you one. You can do it. I can do it. Doesn't matter, but we need to get an optimized Google My Business in here, because when I look through here, I don't see you at all. And you need to be in the top 3, and I can show you how to do that, or you could get in there and just optimize it for yourself. So again, that is the best citation, and you copy that exact information and send it out into the space. So here is your top 3. So we've got hybrid marketing, Canabrand, and then you've got a couple of Indeed, and then you got Pitchy. Okay, and they actually have marijuana marketing gurus here. I mean, we just throw those guys up in there too, just for fun. But those are the top ones in the Google search for Denver. So if we take a look at these guys, I'm sure you're probably familiar. Hybrid, Canna, THC, and then these guys here. I think I got them in here twice. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and I took this website address and I stuck it in my tool called Ahrefs, and it kind of tears apart websites and shows you all of the stats for everything on the website. So this UR is pretty much the popularity, and the DR is the strength of the website, and then it shows you the number of backlinks. And those backlinks come from 72 referring domains, and that's qualifying them for 167 keywords. Okay, and so backlinks do include citations, but relevant backlinks are the second most powerful thing that Google looks at. So let's take a look at the second. So they have 1,300 backlinks coming from 307 referring domains, 292. And you can see that their popularity is 42 and 30. So they have higher popularity and ranking for that site compared to hybrid. So interesting. And then content is king. So number 3 position right here, THC. They've got hardly anything going on here. 6 and 6, 127 backlinks, 167. So there's your opportunity. Look at the difference between the number 3 position and the number 2 position with their stats. Okay, and even though these guys have 1,300 backlinks, look, they still have keywords that are just a little bit more than hybrid marketing. Now, the reason hybrid is above Canna Brand locally is because Canna Brand is a nationwide, the other one's hybrid's local, and they can beat them in a local search. So here's your opportunities to be between 2 and 3. You can get in there. It can also help you get into this top 3 in the map pack. So I hope that has been helpful, Crystal. Would love to help you delve into this more, or like I said, feel free to use any and all of these things that I have just shared with you. You can do those things yourself and really make the needle move. And again, if you'd like to have a further conversation, reach out, and I'm happy to help. Have a good day.